Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be doing question 47 from A Exercises in James Stewart Calculus. So this is our question. We are asked to solve this. So the absolute value of x less than 3. And using the rules in the textbook, you should know that this translates to -3 less x less 3. And that is your final answer. And I just want to go through what this means, or just to explain, because that is literally our solution. There's nothing more that we can do. So this is what this means. So now, if you add -3 or 3, so it basically says this whole region is your solution. And if you plug in any value that's between these two numbers, its absolute value, or the result, will be less than 3. And you can try that. Let's pick a number in here. Let's say 0. The absolute value is 0, 0. And it is indeed less than 3. And if you substitute another number which is between here, then let's say the absolute value is -2. It's 2. And 2 is less than 3. That is what that means. So for the absolute value of any number to be less than another number, you're going to take the negative and positive forms of that number that occurs there. And if you substitute anything that is between the negative and positive forms of that number, you're basically going to get a result, or the absolute value, which is less than the number which is specified. And that's just an explanation of the solution.